Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mandela Highway. This is the busiest road in Jamaica. And today we're going to talk about the construction of an access ramp from Mandela Highway into Portmore. Now, the government plans to build a 1.7-kilometer long two-lane ramp from Mandela Highway to George Lee Boulevard. So the ramp would go over this area that we're looking at now. So that's Mandela Highway, and then to the right of where we are is Portmore. So the ramp would start somewhere out here, and a lot of mega developments are taking place here. To the left is where they're going to be building the Key Manors economic zone. Straight ahead where you see those trees on the left, that's where they're going to be putting the Rain Tree commercial complex. So I'm not sure exactly where the ramp will start, but somewhere here, that the road we're looking at now, there will be a ramp into Portmore. It's going to be a 4-lane ramp. Looks similar to Mandela Highway with the concrete barrier and the 4 lanes. Although Mandela Highway is 6 lanes, the ramp will be 4 lanes. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do and why it's needed. Now, Portmore is one of the fastest growing areas in Jamaica. It is a massive area. Thousands of people live there. And Kingston is a larger city, so you find a lot of people leave Portmore in the mornings, go to work in Kingston, and then return. There are 2 main ways into Portmore from Kingston now. You can go on the Portmore Expressway and go through the toll plaza, but you have to pay a toll, and it's a very expensive toll. Or you can use Mandela Highway, which is not a toll road, so you have no charges. But because Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica, it takes you from Kingston to Portmore, takes you from Kingston to Spanish Town, and it takes you out of the city of Kingston. So basically, once you're leaving Kingston, chances are you're going to be on Mandela. So it's backlogged with traffic. Even though it's 6 lanes, it still has a lot of traffic. So the government, in trying to ease the flow of traffic, or to make it easier for you to get into Portmore, they plan to build this access ramp from Mandela into Portmore. Jamaica's road network plays a critical role in facilitating economic growth, connectivity, and convenience for its citizens. Portmore, one of the fastest growing urban centers in Jamaica, faces increasing traffic congestion, particularly for commuters traveling to and from Kingston via Mandela Highway. Constructing a dedicated access ramp from Mandela Highway to Portmore would not only alleviate traffic congestion but also enhance transportation efficiency and regional development. Mandela Highway serves as a vital artery linking Kingston and St. Catherine. However, with thousands of vehicles using this route daily, commuters often experience long delays due to bottlenecks at key intersections. The absence of a direct access ramp to Portmore exacerbates this problem, forcing vehicles to navigate heavy traffic on Mandela Highway. The situation affects productivity, increases fuel consumption, and contributes to air pollution in the area. An access ramp would provide a direct and uninterrupted route for vehicles traveling between Mandela Highway and Portmore. This infrastructure would reduce congestion at intersections and streamline traffic flow, particularly during peak hours. Improved connectivity would facilitate easier movement of goods and services between Portmore and Kingston, bolstering commerce. Additionally, reduced travel times would attract businesses to the area, further contributing to economic development. The ramp would minimize the risk of accidents at crowded intersections by segregating traffic heading directly to Portmore. This safer, more controlled design would benefit all road users. By reducing idling time and traffic congestion, congestion, the ramp would contribute to lower vehicle emissions, helping Jamaica meet its environmental sustainability goals. Shorter commutes would grant Portmore residents more time for personal and professional activities, enhancing their overall quality of life. The ramp must adhere to international safety standards while considering local geographic and traffic patterns. It should accommodate heavy vehicles and ensure seamless integration with the existing road networks. Constructing an access ramp from Mandela Highway to Portmore is a necessary step towards addressing the growing traffic demands in the region. This infrastructure will enhance mobility, foster economic growth, and improve the quality of life for thousands of commuters. By investing in such transformative projects, Jamaica can continue its journey towards becoming a more connected, efficient, and sustainable nation. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.